Today, I'm going to show you the first thing that you should do when lighting any type of transparent liquid. Whether it's a shower scene for a horror film, or maybe it's a sexy product shot for like a nice new wine ad, even just an outdoor rainy shot. This technique will help you nail them all. My name is Sadi, and this is CineStuff. Now let's light these shots. Liquids, transparent ones that is, like wine, juice, water, oil, whatever it is, are mainly put into containers. This means that we have a transparent container holding those liquids that we have to take into consideration. Now containers, whether plastic or glass, smudge and reflect a lot, specifically when you're lighting them right from the front. So what you need to do is very logical. The key is backlight. Just take any light that you would like to use, whether it's tungsten or daylight balanced, and just put that light behind the object that you want to light up. Just make sure, of course, that it's not into the frame, but make sure that the light is pointing right to the back of that subject. Now that transparent liquid can glow and show the liquid that it's holding without actually showing the imperfections and the smudges that are on the outside of the container itself. This will instantly pop out that object out of the background and add texture to the liquid inside it. After that, it's all up to you, so you can add whatever lights you want to just make the object pop out of the background and look even better. I added a side light from the left, and just to finish it off, I put a little bit of light from the top. Now when it comes to any sort of transparent liquid that is not put into a container like a bottle or a glass bowl or something like that, like rain or the tap water or even a shower head, this same technique, which is backlighting, doubles in importance because you no longer have that container that could pick up the lights and shine in a way that could add form to the liquid. This colorless and clear water will fade into the background and meld into it and just disappear unless you backlight it. Because when you do, magic. The liquid appears out of nowhere and has texture to it. So make sure the next time that you're filming any type of transparent liquid or rain, keep that technique in mind. Backlighting is awesome for a lot of different stuff. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And until next time, CineStuff out.